everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. What we're showing today, this is the Groen TDA 20. It's a 5-gallon double motion agitated kettle system. So it has a scraper agitator and a secondary. It's operating on 120 volt. And we're going to give you a look right here. We're running at maximum speed right now. Has a scraper, and we've abandoned the secondary agitator, which is normally a paddle type system, and use a standard 3-blade propeller on this one. And I'm going to give you a look at how well that works for a second. You can see the propeller in there. It's about a 4-inch diameter propeller. Just to show you the type of agitation, you do get that with this. This is a tilt-out agitator, of course. We're providing with all new scrapers on it as well. So you tilt, slide this off, and we're going to push this back down, and now this is running at relatively low speed. This particular propeller is pulling material up. So if you wanted to use it as just a simple agitator like this, you could. With removing the agitator, you can put a little bit of a larger prop on, not much more. About 5.5 inches would be your maximum size. But you get a nice, if you just want to use a nice stirring type of agitation. Of course, this is a right-hand propeller. If you went to a left-handed, you'd be pushing material down and across the bottom of the dish. It's a tilting kettle with tilt-out agitator, all stainless steel. This is a steam-heated unit, of course. You can see the agitator goes on very simply. Has a very simple slide in. Just got to find where the pin is. And I've stopped it in a position where I can't see that. And usually you can do it by feel, and there you go.
Nice.
We have lots of these in our stock. They do come electrically heated. This particular one is steam heated. Steam enters from the bottom of the unit. We do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.